So I just got this purple octopus cat from Easter like 2 weeks ago, and I'm just gonna leave it here and make sure no one takes it. Okay. I'm just gonna leave for a minute. Well, I'll just go for a walk. This thing is mine now. Alright, I'm back now. Oh no, she's taken it again. Wait, no, not again. I mean, it was only the first time she took it. Did you hear that? I heard cackling. And I can feel it. I feel a disturbance in the force. All right, Bad Nicole, you will pay for this. All right, Bad Nicole, give me the cat back, or I'm going to tell everyone that you ate my mom and dad's Easter egg. All right, you can have it back, but can I please take these squishies? You are not taking my squishies. We just got them in Glasgow last week. It was last Tuesday when we went there and got them. And they're so cute. But off you go now. Oh, because you were not supposed to eat that Easter egg last week. Now, go please. Au revoir. What a day. Anyway, the rest of the day is going to be exciting. I know about the finale. Yeah, I think you already know what I'm talking about. But why don't you take a look at Kitty before I say goodbye? Yeah, before we finish the video. Yeah, before the video wraps up. Yeah, if you can see her. Say hi to the camera, Heidi. Yeah, she just finished licking herself there. Yeah, I'm just stroking her there. Yeah, she likes that, doesn't she? Right, and that's that done. Bye!